He understood every English word people said around him, but when it was his turn to speak, his confidence disappeared. Every night, he practiced English alone. He even practiced speaking in front of the mirror. He dreamed of getting a better job, but interviews terrified him. Then his name was called. He knew the answers, but the words wouldn't come out. So he walked home again, feeling defeated. Then his mother called him. She asked him one simple question. Why are you afraid to speak? That night, for the first time, he stopped blaming his English. He opened an old voice recording. From the first day he tried speaking English, he sounded nervous, awkward, and afraid. Then he started noticing something strange. Some people made grammar mistakes, but still spoke confidently. And suddenly, he understood the real problem. So the next morning, he tried something different. This time, he didn't care about being perfect. And something unexpected happened.
Oh, thank you so much.
No
That
one
means a lot to
laughed.
us.
For the first time, he felt a little confident. And that tiny moment changed everything. The next few
That's
days,
my favorite book in the store.
he forced
You
himself
have
to
great
speak
taste.
more.
Oh,
He
thank
still
you.
made
I
mistakes,
heard it was good.
a lot
heard
of
it was good.
mistakes,
So is
but
it just down
now
this way past the theatre?
he stopped running away from conversations. He always hated his accent,
I'm just not sure if I'm making the right
but
choices
one
with my
stranger
career.
changed that forever.
Risk is how you grow.
The man told him,
Trust yourself.
"Your English is better than you think." And for the first time, he started walking with confidence. He started talking to people
Yes,
everywhere.
that was quick.
Perfect.
And
You're all set.
slowly,
Have a great day.
English stopped
So I
feeling
told him,
scary,
"Can't bring a goat into the
because
office."
confidence
Wait, seriously?
matters more than
Did
perfection.
he do it anyway?
A few weeks later, and another interview opportunity arrived, and suddenly, all the old fear came back. He remembered every embarrassing moment, but this time, he refused to run away. So he walked forward, even while feeling afraid. The waiting room looked exactly the same. Then the interviewer asked the first question. And once again, his mind went blank. But then, he stopped trying to sound perfect. And for the first time, he sounded like himself. The interview finally ended, and he walked outside quietly. But this time, he wasn't ashamed of himself. Then his phone rang. He got the job, and suddenly, all those painful moments felt worth it.
I know.
The first person
I
he
miss you too.
called
I can't
was
stop
his
smiling just
mother.
thinking about it.
The real victory was never the job. It was finally believing that he was good enough. And maybe you're waiting for confidence too. Speak imperfectly. Speak nervously, but speak.